Dear students, today I am going to discuss a topic. The topic is what is an atom. You have already know what is an atom in class 9. What is an atom? It is the smallest part of an element. In chemistry, it is an integral part of every chapter. What is an atom? So, an atom is the smallest part of element. Is it the smallest part? It's no. It also consisted of some another particles. That particles are electron. Another is proton and neutron. So these three particles, the subatomic particles, are present in an atom. Now next question arises: what is the nature of atom? What is the shape of atom? What is the type of atom? How the atom is can be designated, and how the electrons, protons, neutrons are present in an atom? So this question answer is that then atom is the sphere. Atom is like sphere. So in the sphere, these particles are present. So where these particles? All these particles are present at this position? It's no. So the particles, the protons and neutrons. The proton particles is positively charged. It is positively charged. These neutrons are negatively charged. Yes, no, it is neutral. And electrons are negatively charged. So this sphere, this is the portions where the central part of an atom is called a nucleus. The central part of an atom is called nucleus. In the nucleus, the two subatomic particles, protons and neutrons, are present. So this proton and neutrons are present. So where the electrons are present next? So electrons are present around the sphere, that is around the nucleus, in a certain orbit. These orbits are known as shell. In the cells, electrons are present. For different atoms, the different numbers of electrons and protons are present. Suppose if the element is hydrogen, then it contains that one proton and it also contains one electron. An atom possesses same number of electrons and same number of protons. Since the atom consists of electron, proton and neutron, electrons are negatively charged and protons are positively charged. If the same numbers of positively charged and the negatively charged are present, therefore that atom is regarded as electrically neutral. Electrically neutral boli ami eta atom kau. So in an atom there is no any charge. So positive charge neutralize the negative charge, and in the different cell or orbit, electrons are present. The negatively charged electrons are present around the nucleus in a different cell. So next question arises that if an atom has, suppose if an atom is lithium, say it has atomic number 3. Atomic number 3 means it has the 3 proton and 3 electrons. So 3 electrons are present. So these next electrons may arise this cell. So how many electrons are present in the first cell? This is first cell, 3, but it's no. So in how many electrons present in the different cell are fixed by a law which is known as 2n square rule. So where n is the number of cell. So this is the first cell. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. For the first cell, n is equal to 1. So we can write 2 into 1 square is equal to 2. That means that in first cell, how many electrons will be present? Just 2. So this should not be present. This electron should not be present in the cell. So how many electrons present will be first cell? 2. So next, the cell, again the another cell will come. So here in lithium, how many electrons present? 3. Proton is 3. So the next electron, the third electrons will goes to here. And How many electrons will present in the second cell? It is denoted by the 2 into 2 square is 8. So how many electrons? The 8 electrons will be present. So in first cell they say 2 electrons, in second cell 8 electrons. So neon is the atom. So atomic number 10. So it contains atomic number 10 and electronic configuration 28, which is already known by you in the class 19. And so how many electrons present? 8 electrons here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 suppose. So next, where the electrons next, if the next electrons again comes, so suppose sodium. So 281, atomic number 11. How many electrons present? Electron 11, proton 11. So the next electron, where the next electron will go? This second cell has already completed by 8 electrons, and so next electron will goes to another cell. So this third cell. So how many electrons will present in third cell? 2 into 3 square. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So how many electrons will present in the third cell? This is 18 electrons. So in an atom, so electrons and protons and neutrons are present. So protons and neutrons are present at the nucleus. So nucleus is regarded as a positive sphere, and electrons are present around the sphere in a certain orbits. These orbits are known as cell, and these cells are, they suppose that like that the earth around the sun is regarded as a nucleus, and earth and other elements can be regarded as a some orbit. Earth and other elements are other planets are moving around the sun in a certain orbits. Like that electrons are moving, electrons are present around this earth sphere, the positive sphere, which is nucleus, and in a definite orbit, and definite numbers of electrons are present in that orbit. So for first cell, how many electrons present? 2. And in second cell, how many electrons present? 8. And in third cell, how many electrons present? 18 electrons. So in the next element, say magnesium, then two second electrons will appear here, and so on. So this is the atom. What is an atom? So atom is the smallest part of an element, which consists of the 3 subatomic particles, electron, proton, and neutron. As a whole, atoms are neutral because it contains that same number of the electrons and protons. So this is about an atom. Thank you.